What's up, guys? This is Drift All About It, and today I'm doing a video on my bike check. And so this is my back wheel. It's a DK stock and DK stock pegs. Right now I'm waiting for my Odyssey hazard light. What was it? Odyssey hazard light back wheel. It comes with it's 20-inch, but it comes with a back Odyssey V3 hub with a 9-tooth driver. There's my 25-tooth Eastern Medusa sprocket, purple, and then there's my stock cranks, my stock pedals, which I'm replacing with Animal Hamilton transfluent purple pedals. See, and then DK seat. It says DK all over it, but you'll probably barely see it. Here's the DK Cyclone frame, stock brake line, stock brakes, stock forks, stock front wheel, stock pegs, like I said, and then stock stem, and also stock handlebars, stock grips. My friend gave me this animal red bar in, but now it's grinded down. My stock brake, which I don't know. And that's my video. So, well, once I get it updated, I'll make a video, and it'll be like 10 times better. So, thanks, guys.